Hello student, today we are discuss about the remaining part of the topic pair of straight line. Example is find the combined equation of the pair of lines passing through the origin and making an equilateral triangle with the line y equal to 3 means okay. Find the combined equation. Combined equation क्रिएट करायचे ओके of the pair of line passing through the कशामधून पास होणार आहे origin मधून passing through the origin and making an equilateral triangles with the line y equal to 3. Equilateral triangles means triangles all angles are same means 60 degree. So see here. These are the diagram xy axis. Okay, here the line, which line? Okay, y equal to 3 here. So line curves passing through the origin. Here origin O. Here A point, here B points. Okay. Equilateral triangles means this angle is which 60 degree. Here 60 degree. These are the two parallel lines. Y equal to 3 and x dash axis. So this angle is 60. Here angle is 60 degree. Right. So this angle is 60 degree, and here angle is. Here angle next, here angle is 60 degree. Total angle is so 60 plus 60 120 degree. Okay. So mention here making an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangles this 60 degree. Okay. Origin मधून पास होणार आहे तो वो भी फाइंड आउट केला इथं. ओके. So 60 डिग्री हा 60 डिग्री असेल टू पॅरलल लाईन्स आहे हा 60 डिग्री असेल तर इकडचा पण अँगल काय असणार आहे 60 डिग्री असणार आहे. सो नेक्स्ट टू अँगल 60 डिग्री. सो थर्ड अँगल इज हियर 60 डिग्री. सो 60 डिग्री. सो रिमेनिंग टोटल अँगल XOA 60 डिग्री, XOB is 120 डिग्री. ओके. कंबाइंड इक्वेशन क्रिएट करायचं आहे. लेट OA and OB, let OA and OB be the lines through the origin, making an angle 60 degree with the line y equal to 3. Okay. So the next point is therefore OA and OB make an angle 60 degree and 120 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. Okay. In this diagram, here OAOB with the line through the origin making an angle 60 degree. म्हणजे या लाईन बरोबर हा 60 डिग्री अँगल फाइंड आउट केलेला आहे. त्याचप्रमाणे नेक्स्ट OA and OB मेक an angle 60 डिग्री. OA चा 60 आणि OB चा टोटल किती आहे 120 डिग्री with the positive direction of x-axis. These are the anti-clockwise direction means positive direction. Okay. Therefore slope of OA m equals to tan theta. Theta means value is OA संदर्भातला slope tan theta equals to value is first here 60 degree. Tan 60 degree equals to value is root 3. Okay, means m equals to value, m equals to value is root 3. Next step is therefore equation of the line, equation of the line OA is y equal to mx. So m equals to value is root 3. m equals to value root 3. So put here therefore y equal to root 3x. Therefore root 3x. This side, this y convert this side. Okay, root 3x minus y equals to 0. Okay, these are the first equation. Similar way, slope of find out the line. Next, slope of OB m tan theta. Theta means second value 120 degree. So first is 60 degree and here next 120. Tan 120 degree. So the value of tan 120 degree. So here tan 180 minus tan 180 minus 60 degree. 180 degree minus 60 degree means tan 120 degree. Okay, here formula is the right angle form, tan pi minus theta. Tan 180 means pi minus theta. Which quadrant? Second quadrant. Tan is positive or negative? Formula is tan pi minus theta equals to value is minus tan theta. Minus sign is here. Which condition? These are the second quadrant only sin and cosec are positive. Here tan pi minus theta equals to minus tan theta. This formula is here. The next value is tan minus tan 60 degree and minus tan 60 minus root 3. Okay, therefore m equals to value is minus root 3. Okay, here note down m1 or m2. Okay, next equation of the line. Here equation of the line OB is equation y equal to m2x म्हणूया. Next m2 equals to value minus root 3 is here. So next step is here y equals to minus root 3x. So the next step is this way form convert minus root 3 negative I convert this side. So positive root 3x plus y, root 3x plus y equal to 0. Here equation number 1, equation number 2. आपल्याला काय फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे? फाइंड द कंबाइंड इक्वेशन. दोन इक्वेशंस here. Then next step is therefore required joint equation. Therefore the required joint equation is, first equation is here root 3x minus y and second root 3x plus y equal to 0. Root 3x minus y and root 3x plus y, which form? A minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square form is used here. So the next step is 3x square minus y square equals to 0. These are the equation. These are the combined equation. Okay, 3x square minus y square equal to 0. Okay, the next example is Next example is, if slope of one of the lines given by equation is x square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 is 4 times the other, then show that equation is right. सिमिलर वे आहे, याप्रमाणे एक्झाम्पल आपण ऑलरेडी सोडवलेलं आहे. फाइंड द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ k मध्ये त्याचप्रमाणे इक्वेशन आपल्याला इथे व्हॅल्यू कोणत्या समचा फॉर्म्युला यूज करायचा आहे, m1 m2 इक्वल्स टू मायनस काय c अपॉन b, प्रोडक्टचा फॉर्म्युला m1 डॉट m2 इक्वल्स टू a बाय b आणि कंडिशन काय दिली इज 4 टाइम्स द अदर मीन्स m1 इक्वल टू 4 into m2 याप्रमाणे कंडिशन असणार आहे. त्यावेळी आपण इथं आन्सर फाइंड आउट करायचे. सो हियर let m1 and m2 be the slopes of the lines, which lines, these lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Therefore m1 plus m2, this formula m1 plus m2 equals to minus twice h upon b, and next m1 dot m2 equals to a upon b. Okay, these are the forms m1 and m2 be the slopes of the lines, and these are the given formula. Condition is 4 times if slope of one of the lines is 4 times the other, means we are given that given काय दिलेला आहे, slope one of the lines is 4 times the other, means m2 equals to value is here, m2 equals to value 4 times other means 4 into m1. So this value put the first equation. So here m1 plus m2 equals to value 4, m1 equals to minus twice h upon b. So the next step is m1 plus 4m1 means 5, m1 equals to value minus twice h upon b. So therefore m1 equals to value minus twice h. Are you m1 equals to minus twice h upon b? Next step la 5 convert this side, 5 into b. These are the values. So mention here equation number 1. So this value using the next m1 dot m2 equals to a by b. So the next form is which form? Here also m1 m2 equals to a by b. So using here m1 m2 equals to value is here, m2 equals to value 4m1. this equation star mention करूया आपल्या माहितीसाठी स्टार इक्वेशन. So therefore using star here put here m1 m2 equals to value 4m1 equals to a upon b. Next step is m1 into 4m1 means 4 m1 square equals to values a by b. Then next step m1 equals to value minus twice h upon 5b. Okay, this value using this equation. So next step is 4 m1 equals to value minus 2h upon 5b bracket square equals to value a upon b using equation 1. The next step is calculation is minus 2h bracket square means 4h square upon 5b means 25b square equals to a upon b. So the next step is 4 multiplied by, so 16h square upon 25b square and a upon b. wrote this and B here. So the next step is okay. Therefore 16 h square 25 b square a into multiply by 25 b square upon b. The next step is square and b get cancelled. The last one answer is equals to here 16 h square and 25 a into b. 25 a into b. These are the final answers. Okay, show that to this part. So slope of one of the line given by, so using these two formulae already discussed about these two formulae. Conditions are, we are given here is the condition m1 equal to 4m1, m2 equals to 4m1. So the using this equation m2 equals to 4m1, so m1 equals to value as it is. So the second form you here put m2 equals to value, then using star equation. Okay, so the next step m1 value put here using equation 1, the calculation, and then get the final answer. Okay, the next example is if one of the lines given by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 bisect an angle between the coordinate axis, then show that a plus b bracket square equal to 4h square. Okay, see here, if one of the lines given by, these are the equation. Okay, so using here auxiliary equation and find the m1 m2 means bisect an angle between the coordinate axis means, so see here these are the coordinate axis x dash y dash. Okay, bisect the coordinate axis, this angle is here, total degree 90 degree, so this angle is 45 degree. Okay, and the next, these are the second coordinate axis. Okay, these are the slope, total value is here 9, bisect this angle 90 plus 45 means 135 degree. These are the positive directions. Okay, these are the first line bisect here angle, and next bisect here first 45 degree and second is 135 degree. These are the degrees value. So using this 45 degree and 135 degree, two slopes find out here. So the angle formula is slope m equal to tan theta, and using m1 m2 value and then put this value in auxiliary equation and find out the which form a plus b bracket square equal to 4h square. So write down here the auxiliary equation of the auxiliary equation of the lines given by ax square plus 2hx square plus by square equal to 0 is which is the auxiliary equation? Bm square 2hm plus a equal to 0. Okay, since one of the lines bisect an angle between the coordinate axis, the lines making an angle of which degree? 40 degree, and next is 135 degree respectively. काय केलेलं आहे? coordinate axis bisect. Okay, 45 degree and 135 degree respectively. Therefore slope of the lines okay, आणि हे जे आहे 45 डिग्री आणि 135 डिग्री रिस्पेक्टिव्हली would positive direction of x-axis. Okay, 45 degree and 135 degree with positive direction. Okay, this side positive direction of the x-axis. Slope of the lines equal to 45 degree and next angle is 135 degree. So therefore m equals to value tan theta. Tan theta means first 45 degree. Tan 45 equals to value means which value? +1. And next form is tan 45 जो next degree 135 degree. The value of tan 135 degree. So convert tan 180 minus 45 degree using the remaining formula tan pi minus theta. Tan pi minus theta means minus tan 45 degree means minus tan 45 is minus 1 here. So first value is m equals to +1 and next m equals to -1. Two value. So mention m1 and 2 or m value is okay. m equals to 1, m equals to -1 means therefore m equals to +1 are the roots of auxiliary equation. m equal to +-1 are the roots of auxiliary equation. Which equation? bm square plus 2hm plus a equal to 0. So this value a equal to +or - put in this equation. So the next step is here b into m equals to value put +or -1. So b therefore -1 square plus 2h into +or - plus a equal to 0. The next step is b plus 2h +or - means +or - 2h plus a equal to 0. The next step is so this two term addition, this term +or - convert this side. So therefore a plus b equals to value is minus plus 2h. So the show that term is a plus b bracket square equal to 4h square. Next step is squaring on both sides. Take square. Well, take square on both sides. Next step therefore a plus b bracket square or plus minus plus 2h bracket square means 4h square. These are the final answers. Okay, this way show that term a plus b bracket square equal to 4h square. Okay, see here. If one of the lines given by bisect an angle between the coordinate axis से bisect करते हैं. These are the coordinate axis bisect होते हैं मतलब 45 degree. Second angle here bisect means total 90 plus 45 total 135 degree. Okay, these are the two angles. Using these two angles find the roots means m equals to value slope find out here. Okay, so the 45 equals to value is tan 45 1 here and tan 135 m equals to -1. So m equal to plus or minus are the roots of the auxiliary equation. These are the auxiliary equation using so the m equals to plus or minus value is here. Okay, and take square. These are the final answer. Okay, you complete the all examples of the exercise 4.1. Okay, thank you. Example number 6 ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट आहे. 7, 8, 9 ही एक्झाम्पल सर्वांनी कंप्लीट करायची आहेत. Okay, thank you.